Springtime might be around the corner, but you're probably still working inside because the temperatures could still drop at any time. Here are some home maintenance tips to take care of this February. Take care of painting. Since you're going to be working inside most of the time during February, it's a good idea to go ahead and start working on painting the interior of your home. Any dings you might have put in the drywall or anything that you've done throughout the year, you can get that touched up and fixed during this time. Organize your laundry room. Let's face it, the laundry room is probably the most overlooked room in the house as far as getting it clean and keeping things up to date. Go in there, kind of declutter and organize as much stuff as you can. Maybe add a towel rack or something for a drying space if you don't have space to put up a drying rack. Also, it's a good time to scrape off all the excess detergent or anything you might have spilled throughout the year. Clean your dryer vents. I made a video before talking about how to improve your home efficiency, and I mentioned cleaning out your dryer vents in that one. It's still a good idea to make sure that you're getting them clean, to go ahead and remove the extra lint that's in there because it will cause the dryer to run at a lower efficiency, which could increase your bills. In addition, when it's cold outside, the air is a lot drier. This is going to cause a fire hazard. Make sure you get that cleaned out as much as possible because static electricity is much higher in the cold temperatures and you don't want that additional hazard at home. Clean refrigerator coils. To make sure your refrigerator is operating at the highest efficiency and keeping your food cold for as long as possible, make sure you're cleaning your refrigerator coils about once a year. It's a good idea just to pull it out away from the wall and just run a vacuum behind there and clean out as much dust or hair and other debris as possible. It's going to make it work a lot longer and improve your life expectancy of the unit. Check on your sump pump. This is a great time of year to make sure your sump pump is in good operating condition. Get in the crawl space or wherever you have your sump pump located in your home in the basement and make sure that it's working properly. Not only are you going to have a lot of water coming in, possibly with the snow melting if you're experiencing that, you're also going to have an influx of groundwater when the spring rains start as well. Making sure that your sump pump is operating properly can be a lot more cost effective than dealing with it once you get water coming in the house, causing other problems. Look for leaks. February is a great time to get in the attic and check for leaks. You might have some snow on your roof that starts to melt, or, like I said previously, spring's around the corner, so there could be some rain in the forecast as well. Making sure you get in the attic space to check for leaks before they get too bad is absolutely imperative. Once you start seeing them inside the finished space, those leaks have been going on long enough, they could have caused much more damage and become much more costly to fix. Hey, thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any home maintenance tips that I might have missed. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.